Hello everyone, I am Dr. V. Subhashini, Assistant Professor, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for this new academic year. I am going to teach Operations Management, which is one of the major subject for 5th semester of Bachelor of Business Administration prescribed by the University of Madras. Topics to be covered through these slides are meaning, definition, introduction of operation management, nature of operation management, scope of operation management, objectives of operation management, importance of operation management, and functions of operation management. Operations management is the management of process that transform input into goods and services that add value for the customer. Operations is one of the three strategic functions of any organization. This means that it is a vital part of accomplishing the organization's strategy and ensuring its long-term survival. The other two areas of strategic importance to the organization are marketing and finance. For example, if an organization makes furniture, some of the operation management decisions involve the following: purchasing wood and fabric, hiring and training workers, location and layout of the furniture factory, purchase cutting tools and other fabrication equipment. If the organization makes good operation decision, it will be able to produce affordable, functional and attractive furniture that customer will purchase at a price that will earn profit for the company. What is operations management? It is the administration of business practices to create the highest level of efficiency possible within an organization. It is concerned with converting materials and labor into goods and services as efficiently as possible to maximize the profit of an organization. Definition: operations management is an area of management concerned with designing and controlling the process of production and redesigning business operations in the production of goods or services. The operations department of a company is responsible for smooth and profitable production. The objectives of an operation department revolve around high quality effective operations. If our operation is fulfilling its objective, our customer will be happy and our business will be profitable. The main objective of operation management is to provide conversion of capabilities to meet company's goal and strategy. The primary objective of operation management is to utilize the resources of the organization to create such products or services that satisfy the needs of the consumer by providing right thing at the right price, right place and right time. To make the best possible use of the organization resources to satisfy the wants of the consumer is another important objective of the operation management. The operation managers plan and supervise fielding unanticipated situation and anticipating outcome that arise logically from existing groundwork and assumption. Operation departments should aim to make the highest quality product possible relative to the circumstances and the price your customer pay. Consistency is an important element of quality and it depends on the stable source of material and a well-trained staff who know how to produce outcome that meet specification and how to adjust when available material vary. Next important objective is timeliness in delivery. Our operation department is responsible for making sure that customer orders are filled on schedule. Operations management is dynamic in nature. It keeps on changing as per market trend and demand. Operation management is the management of activities concerned with the conversion of raw materials into finished product. Operation management is a continuous process. It is employed by the organization for managing its activity as long as they continue their operation. Operation management administer and control all activities of the organization. It ensures that all activities are going efficiently and there is no underutilization or misutilization of any resource. The scope of operations management is indeed vast. Commencing with the selection of location, operation management covers such activities as acquisition of land, constructing building, procuring and installing machinery, purchasing and storing raw material, and converting them into saleable products. Added to the above are other related topics such as quality management, maintenance management, production planning and control, methods improvement, and work simplification and other related areas. Next topic we'll see here importance of operation management. Operation management has an effective role in the achievement of predetermined objectives of an organization. It ensures that all activities are going as per plan by continuously monitoring all operations of organization. Operation management improve the productivity of employees. It checks and measure the performance of all people working in the organization. Operating manager trains and educate their employees for better performance. Operation management helps in improving the goodwill and presence of the organization. It ensures that quality products are delivered to all customers that could provide them better satisfaction and makes them happy. Operation management focuses on optimum utilization of all resources of the organization. It frames proper, strategic, and accordingly continues all operations of the organization. Operation manager keeps a check on all the activities and ensure that all the resources are utilized on only useful means and are not wasted. Operation management helps in motivating the employees towards their roles. Operation managers guide all people in performing their roles and provide them with better atmosphere. Employees are remunerated and rewarded according to their performance level. In this slide, we'll see the functions of operations management. First function with regard to finance. Finance play a main function in operation management. The operation manager should not waste finance in unproductive tasks. He should ensure that all finance of the organization is utilized for the manufacturing of useful goods or services which may satisfy consumer wants. The second function of operation management is basically concerned with planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of daily routine operation of an organization. The operation manager ensures that all activities are going effectively and efficiently. The strategy formulation is also the main function of operation management. The operation manager should have a pre-planned task. Formulation of plans and tactics help the organization in optimizing their resources and developing a competitive edge over competitors. It is the duty of operation managers to design the product according to the market trend and demand. He should ensure that innovative techniques are incorporated within the product and its quality is maintained. Operations manager should ensure a better quality of product. The manager should not compromise with the quality of product. They should work on quality management and should supervise all tasks. If any defects are found, they should take steps to rectify such defects. I hope you all understand topics covered by me in this video. Thank you.